today we're going to change the colors of our terminal. We're going to change the colors of the prompt. We're going to change also the colors of the list element. So, okay, let's get started with this. Okay, if you echo this variable ps1 from the terminal, you will see that \hash semicolon \w and so on. This is the way that we're going to display here in the terminal, this part. So this \hash is the host. In my case, it's Mac Mini. Then I have this \w, which stands for the working directory. So for example, if I change here to documents, you will see after the semicolon documents, if I go back to my home directory, you will see this symbol. And finally, the \u is my username. So when the terminal loads, it needs a file called bash underscore profile. It goes there and looks for some extra configuration to display the terminal. So first thing we're going to do is to change this part. I really like the way Linux uses it, so we're going to change it to the way that Linux displays this. So first we're going to create our .bash profile, and we're going to edit this file. So now it's empty, so we type I to add information. So we're going to export the ps1 file variable, sorry. And Linux uses first the username, then an @ symbol, the host name, semicolon, the directory, plus $sign and a space. So if we save this and we restart our terminal, then here we have changed our probe configuration. And a small difference now is we have the whole path. Before we have just the current directory, I mean this last part. So that's the difference between this I'm sorry, that's the difference between the capital W and the lowercase w. Now we're going to add some colors. So for adding colors, we need to escape. This is the way to escape something. And here we're going to add our colors. So this one means that we want bold test. 0 means that we are going to use regular test. So we're going to use bold test. The 32 means that we're going to display a green color, and the M is to finish this part. So if we save this and restart our terminal, you see now it's green, everything. But we don't want everything to be green. We just want part to be green. So we're going to edit again our bash profile. And we just want to be green before the semicolon. So here we're going to escape again and add a 0M. This means that we're going to set it to the default color, which is white. We're going to save, restore our terminal, and there you go. Now we we made a mistake here. Oh, it's a \, not that one, sorry. So we save again and restart our terminal. And there you have. This part now is white, and also everything that we type will be white. Now we're going to change the second part of the prompt. So after the semicolon, all the directory will be displaying different color. So we go again to our bash profile, and after the semicolon we're going to add a new escape character plus 34 value, which is for blue, and also the $sign will be white. So we skip here and we add 0M, we saved, restart, and there you go. We have a nice blue color displaying on the directory. So if I change to downloads directory, now everything is in blue, different from the user and host color. So this is the first part. Now we're going to change the colors of everything that is displayed with the list command. For this, we're going to change the color. We're going to our bash profile and we're going to insert a new value. Is click color set to 1, which is mean that we're going to enable the color for the list items. And also we are going to add these ls colors, which are the actual colors configuration for all the items displayed from the list command. So before adding the values, if you go to manual list and you go very to the bottom, you will find the default configuration here for ls colors. The default configuration is this one. So we're going to copy this and we're going to click here. We're going again to our bash profile and we're going to paste it here. We saved, we restart our terminal, and now we don't have nothing because we missed something eventually. And what was it? Oh yes, we made a mistake here with the export word. Now okay, we'll restart, and now you have, but here these colors are not like the way that Linux use it. We want bold letters, bold text, not regular one. So this is pretty simple. We just go back to our home directory to edit our bash profile and change these letters to cap uppercase, which is mean bold text. This one you can let it as it is, because this means that the first one is the foreground, this is the background color, this is to display different files, not the common ones. So we'll restart, and there you go. We have a very nice color format for our elements, and now we have a little bit of color in our Mac terminal and make it more fun.